How you doing? Dave Barodnelli with MarineMax Boston. Today I'm going to take you aboard the 250 Boston Whaler Outrage. Starting the aft, this has the brand new Mercury 225 Verados. This boat has your standard transom fold-out seat, dual fish boxes, port and starboard. Centrally, we have our pumps and through hulls all located right there in the middle. Behind the helm, we do have a pressurized live well. Moving forward, we've got two beautiful chairs, both captains and passenger. This boat here is appointed with the Raymarine touchscreen 12-inch electronics, as well as your Mercury Smartcraft gauge, Raymarine VHF, and Fusion radio. Digital throttle and shift, power hydraulic steering, and Lenco trim tabs. You'll notice all your switches are nicely labeled and they all do backlit so you can see them at night. You've got a storage area here with a USB and 12-volt charger. You'll notice the T-top, it's all one-piece tempered glass, it's all built in, no rattling, and it also has the underside light blue. It is the same color as the hull sides. Moving here on the starboard side, you've got your entry to your head, vacuum flush toilet, designated storage for your optional table. Forward in the bow, underneath this seat here, you do have some more storage. That's all insulated and is drainage. You have cushions, snap in, snap out bow cushions, again with more storage here. This boat has your automatic anchor windlass, and this is where your bow table would sit. Again, we're on the brand new Boston Whaler 250 Outrage, located here in Boston, Massachusetts. For more interest, please give me a call at 401-569-3874.